Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to write SEO friendly URL of a blog post on WordPress website, right? As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we are getting an option of post, and as I move my cursor on the post, then automatically a sub menu gets opened which is having add post option, and I am going to select this add post to create a new post, right? And here in the add title we can simply write the blog post title, right? So I have written this title over here, right? Now many students will ask, sir, why you have written this title. Then I must tell you that I have created a dedicated video on how to write SEO friendly blog post title, which you can check out on my YouTube channel by visiting our playlist, right? So here we have mentioned this as our blog post title, and it is having long tail keyword, right? As you can see in my Google Ads keyword planner that I have already opened in the another tab, this is title, or you can say long tail keyword, which is getting average monthly searches of 10 to 100. But this long tail keyword comprises of many short tail keywords getting good traffic, right? Like how to make pizza at home without oven with ready-made pizza bases, the long tail keyword, right? And it is getting 10 to 100 monthly searches, whereas how to make pizza at home without oven is getting 1000 to 10,000 monthly searches, and how to make pizza at home is getting 10,000 to 100,000 average monthly searches, and how to make pizza is getting 10,000 to 100,000 average monthly searches, and how to make pizza without oven is getting 100 to 1000 average monthly searches, and how to make pizza at home without ready-made pizza base is getting 100 to 1000 average monthly searches. So this long tail keyword have many short tail keywords in it, so eventually I'm going to rank for many keywords, right? So if you don't know how to do the Google Ads keyword research, then I would suggest you to visit our YouTube channel and check out the Google Ads playlist, right? So we have created this title from there, and we have written this blog post title, and now we will simply write our whole blog post, right? And this video is for how to write the SEO friendly URL for your blog post, right? So I'm going to talk on that particular thing as of now. So as you can see in the right side, we are getting a settings toolbar, right? If this particular toolbar doesn't appears on your screen, then you need to click on the settings icon present near to the publish icon in the top right corner, and this settings toolbar would appear automatically. And here it is divided into the two sections. The first one is post section and the another one is blog section. You need to open this post section, and here you will see a slug portion in the post section, and this slug is what the slug is going to be for your blog post, right? You just need to click on the slug, and it will show you the URL of your blog post whenever you publish this blog post, right? Now coming to the topic, that how to create SEO friendly URL for your blog post. So keeping this much long URL I would not suggest you, because like people don't like, or people can't remember these long URLs, and like search engine also don't like this much long URL. So I would suggest you to shorten your URL, to remove the stop keywords, as well as no need to enter like years in it. Like you should not mention the current year, else what would happen, like in the next year search engine will see this post as the outdated post, right? And you can't change the URL later, because you might will create redirects or backlinks of those of this URL, right? So if in case you change the URL next year, then you need to create redirects, and redirects itself doesn't pass much SEO value, which used to be when your original URL is created as a backlink on other websites, right? So I would not suggest you to mention any date, month, or year in your URL. This is point number one, right? And you should also stop using stop keywords. Google hates stop keywords. Don't use if, whereas, this kind of words in your URL. Don't use symbols until unless it is very much required, right? Don't use symbols in your URL, as well as you should always keep short URLs, right? So here I am going to remove how to, right? You can simply keep it as make pizza at home without oven. I'm also going to remove with ready-made pizza base, because this keyword is already coming in my blog post title. So I'm going to keep this as my URL, right? So the URL is https://www.startupsabba.com/make-pizza-at-home-without-oven, right? So it is a short URL without having the stop keywords, without having any numbers like date, month, or years, or not having special symbols as well, right? Apart from this, if I want to suggest you some more things about the SEO friendly URL, then I would suggest you to do the keyword research first, then create your URL of your blog post, right? Don't forget to mention high search volume keywords, right? But make sure whatever the keywords you include in the URL matches with your topic, matches with your niche, right? For example, if I am writing an article on pizza, then if I find that FIFA World Cup keyword is having a high search volume on search engine, then adding FIFA World Cup as a slug would be wrong, because it doesn't not relates to my topic, right? That particular keyword would not be found in my content, and the keyword density of that keyword would be 0. So search engine will automatically find that I have added irrelevant keywords in my slug portion of the URL. So I would suggest you to add the relevant keywords only, which is having high search volume because automatically this will help your this web page to rank higher on search engine, and you are going to get good traffic on this particular web page. That would be organic traffic helping you in SEO of complete website, right? So this is how you can create SEO friendly URLs of your blog post. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this topic, then I have already mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read the complete blog. And if you want to enroll in our digital marketing course, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description, that you can check it out. You can explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase directly from our website. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.